కార్మిక సైన్యాన్ని సృష్టించి వెలుగుల కిరణాలే సంధించే 6 జిల్లాల మైనింగ్ కేంద్రం తెలంగాణకే ఆణి ముత్యం సింగరేణి.
The Singareni Collieries Company Limited has been practicing eco-friendly mining methods for a long time. Non-L blasting in open cast mines, dust suppression methods, water treatment, pollution control methods are being implemented in all its mines. The mine water utilization is one of the major activities among the eco-friendly measures taken up by SCCL. SCCL operates 46 coal mines, out of which are 20 open cast mines and 26 underground mines located in 6 districts of Telangana state. Most of the surrounding places of these mines are rural and tribal villages where agriculture is the main occupation. As the mining activity goes deeper side, waters also accumulate in the mines. These waters are pumped out regularly and utilized for the different purposes. Every year, on an average, 1,000 lakh kiloliters of the water is pumped out from SCCL running mines and also few closed mines. These waters are used for industrial and domestic purposes of Singareni Collieries Company Limited and also used as drinking water and irrigation water by the people of nearby villages. The mine water is used mainly for the dust suppression in every open cast mine and also on the roads leading to the mines and CHPs. The water sprinklers are continuously engaged to sprinkle the water on all roads and working places to suppress the dust as part of its air pollution control measure. In addition to this, static water sprinklers are also arranged. In CHPs, water cannons are also used to suppress the coal dust while unloading coal into crushers. In workshops, the clean mine water is used to wash heavy earth-moving machinery as part of their maintenance every day. After meeting this industrial requirement, the remaining water is treated in filter beds and water treatment plants and then supplied to Singareni colonies and also surrounding villages for drinking and domestic purposes. The purified water from filter beds is supplied to Gram Panchayat overhead tanks or water supply taps in the villages and towns. Here you see this old Manuguru village where people are getting Singareni drinking water through Gram Panchayat pipelines. They express that because of Singareni only, they are able to get drinking water.
గత 20-30 సంవత్సరాలు దాని మీద ఆధారపడుతున్నాం సింగరేణి నీళ్ళ మీదనే.
ఇక్కడ సింగరేణి కాలనీస్ వాటర్ ఇచ్చే సప్లై చాలా బాగుంది.
About 119 lakh kiloliters of water is supplied to nearby villages and about 2,25,000 people of 112 villages are benefited this way. Major beneficiaries of mine waters are the farmers farming near open cast mines. About 431 lakh kiloliters of water is being sent to nearby irrigation tanks every year from Singareni mines. Here you can see the irrigation tank of Penagadapa village near Kottagudam area, which is being supplied with mine waters every day from GK open cast mine. A separate canal is built by Singareni Collieries Company Limited from mine to this tank so that no drop of water is wasted. Farmers are expressing their happiness because of the mine water only they are able to cultivate 2 crops a year.
మా గ్రామ సమీపంలో ఓపెన్ కాస్ట్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఈ సింగరేణి వాళ్ళని అడిగితే మా చెరువులకి నీళ్ళు ఇస్తున్నారు. ఈ కాలువల ద్వారా నీళ్ళు ఇవ్వడం వల్ల మా చెరువులు నీళ్ళు ఉండి మా పొలాలు ఎండిపోకుండా గత 15 సంవత్సరాల నుండి చుట్టుపక్కల ఎండిపోయిన మా పెనగడ పంచాయతీలో పొలాలు ఎండిపోకుండా పంటలు పండుతున్నాయి.
In Ramagundam region too, farmers are very happy as they are getting mine waters for their cultivation. They say that before mining activity, there was no water resource for cultivation. Then they used to depend only on rainwaters. But now, they say that they are raising 2 crops a year with mine waters being supplied from open cast mines.
నా పేరు లక్ష్మి సార్. ఇక్కడ జల్లారం చెర్ల ఎకరం భూమి ఉంది. మా కుటుంబం పెద్దది సార్. ఈ ఓసి3 బాయిల నీళ్ళు వస్తాయి, ఎకరాన 30 బస్తాలు వెళ్తాయి.
They also say that there is no damage done to the crops by open cast mining. In 2020-21, SCCL mines pumped out 431.71 lakh kiloliters of water to nearby irrigation tanks, by which about 4,500 acres of Ayakattu is being supplied with irrigation water. In addition to this, SCCL also constructed summer storage tanks near open cast mines and are being filled with mine waters every day. The one you see here is at RGOC1, which has the storage capacity of 126.98 million gallons of water. Because of the storage of large quantities of the waters in summer storage tanks, the groundwater levels are higher in the drinking water wells near these summer storage tanks. Another summer water storage reservoir near open cast 1 is also serving as main water resource for a lift irrigation built by government for the benefit of the farmers of Penchkalpet village. SCCL is very happy that mine water utilization is almost 100% and trying to maintain the same in future too.
సింగరేణికి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే సింగరేణి వార్తా విశేషాలు మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే వాటిపై లైక్, షేర్ మరియు కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఈ బెల్ ఐకాన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే మా కొత్త అప్డేట్స్ ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ద్వారా అందుతాయి.